Congratulations on your new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Today, we're going to walk through how to install your favorite apps and games like WhatsApp and Roblox up and running. The first step before installing any app is ensuring you have your Google account or Samsung account added to your phone. You have two main options for downloading apps: the Google Play Store or the Galaxy Store. It is completely up to you which one you prefer to use. Now, to install WhatsApp, open Google Play Store and use the search function at the top. Type in WhatsApp and hit search. Once the results appear, select WhatsApp Messenger and tap the Install button. Simply wait patiently while the app downloads and installs onto your device. The process is exactly the same for games. If you want to download Roblox, just go back to the search bar, type in Roblox, and select it from the list. Tap Install and wait for the download to complete. Once the installation is finished, you can tap Open directly from the store page to launch the app. Alternatively, you can always find your newly installed apps on your home screen or within the app screen, depending on your phone's layout. And that's it. You're ready to start chatting and gaming on your new S26 series.